Oh! Oh. Ha! Oh. Huh? Ah!
Hello, Cuquin. Do you know what's inside the boxes?
Oh.
Animals. Do you want to see them? To know which animal starts with the vowel A, you need to write it down.
Ha! Huh? A.
Try again. Follow the lines.
A. Oh. Huh. A. Ant.
That's right. A is for ant. Don't you know which animal begins with an E?
Ah. E.
I think you wrote too many lines. Why don't you do it again?
Huh. E. Ah. Oh. Ah. Wow. E. Elephant.
Great. E is for elephant. Do you know of any animal that starts with an I?
I. Ah. Oh. Wow. Oh. I. Iguana.
Good, Cuquin. Yes. I is for iguana.
Huh?
Let's see. What animal begins with the vowel O?
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh. Octopus.
Very good. O is for octopus. Which animal starts with the vowel U?
U.
It just looked more like an O than a U. Why don't you try again?
U. Oh. Wow. Unicorn.
Of course. U is for unicorn. Now you know the vowels and the animals.
A is for ant. E is for elephant. I is for iguana. O is for octopus. U is for unicorn. The vowels! Insect surprise eggs! it. We open. Open. Surprise! Egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cooking. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cooking. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice a wheel is missing. Now she won't have any chance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his way about. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high underwater. It splashes a lot, very much all around.
Hello, Cuquin. I bring you a gift.
A present, a present!
Hold on, Cuquin. Here.
A present! Yay!
One, 2, 3. How fun! Which one do you want?
All of them! All of them!
No, Cuquin. You can only choose one. Hold on, Cuquin.
Oh,
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another
one.
little elephant.
Please choose me.
Blue egg. A donkey.